New research from MIT warns two bird flu viruses are only a few mutations away from becoming much more infectious. The H5N1 and H7N9 viruses, most commonly found in birds, can spread to humans by handling poultry and touching certain animals. But the viruses are reportedly only one amino acid change away from being able to spread through human-to-human contact. Many fear if the viruses do mutate, they will spread rapidly through humans' coughs and sneezes and could cause a pandemic. It's especially alarming because these strains are considered deadly.
Out of the 131 cases that have been reported in China, 127 of those people have had to go to the hospital, which means around 97% of those infected needed serious care. 36 didn't survive.
NPR reports flu viruses don't just mutate randomly to spread from human to human, but rather they all stem from the 1918 Spanish flu. Also known as the mother of all pandemics, that bird flu killed an estimated 50 million people. And the three flu pandemics since 1957 are all descendants of the strain. So what is China doing to stop the outbreak of this lethal virus? According to a U.S. researcher who visited China in April, the Chinese are correctly testing poultry for the virus, but currently it is not common among the birds. He says you can look at the data and say, hey, one reasonable interpretation is this virus is not very common on farms, and occasionally chicken or quail are infected and they go to the market, and it amplifies in the market and get more birds infected in the market. That's a very plausible hypothesis based on the data right now. Currently, there have been no reports of human-to-human spreading of the disease and no illnesses outside of China. For Newsy, I'm Logan Tittle.